Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, welcome. If you are my new subscriber, I just want to say thank you. You are welcome. Yes. And thank you for coming and welcome to my channel. You're about to see something great. So I promise and I say stick around to see these beautiful things that I'm about to bring to you. Not just one, but loads of them. So yes, stick around. And to my old subscribers, I just want to say thank you for your support. You guys have been so amazing, and you know I will always say that. Thank you so much for your support. I'm heading to 900 subscribers. Very soon I will do that giveaway. Like the moment I hit 1k, I'm going to do a massive giveaway, and it's just not one person, it's going to be a lot of people. So get ready, subscribe to my channel, let's go together, so that whenever I put that giveaway video, you'll be able to see it. I don't know what you're waiting for. The link of everything you need to know, whether you're watching this from Instagram or you're watching from YouTube, is going to be down below. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel, right, for that giveaway. You don't want to miss it because it's going to be a huge one, right? So without further without wasting your time, we've got something special today to do, which is the main purpose of this video, guys. This era of you want to make a wig and you have to rush to city center to go from one shop to another to get that one, this one, that era is over. You know what I mean? Like, it's over. All you need to do is go to Jagazi Naturals. This website, when you get there, you've got everything you want. Dummy head, lace cap, if you want to do your wig from the scratch, whatever, just tell me whatever you want entirely, you get it from there. Dummy cap, whatever, just tell me whatever you need, because like there are too many to mention. So right here, let's not waste time. We are going to go ahead and open this package that I received from this company, and it came first class as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Let's know what we've got in here. And listen, it doesn't cost much, to be honest, to gather everything you need to make, including hair. Yes, including hair. So don't waste your time. Get into that website, click and search, browse through everything you want. Not just that, dude. Listen, we've got 10% discount from this company just for you guys. 10% discount. So if you want to grab this offer right now before it ends, you've got 2 weeks, and I believe 2 weeks is like not too much for you to make a decision. So you've got, yeah, you don't have any time, to be honest. If I were you, I'll grab that bargain right now. So you've got 2 weeks to use this discount code that I'm about to put down on the description below to get to this website and buy whatever you need, and you're good to go. You know, so if you're like a naturalista like me, you like to make your own wig, whatever from scratch, do your lace front, whatever, from, you know, whatever is it you want to do, or you've got alopecia, you'd like to do your own wig, or you've got cancer, you don't have to spend much money anymore. Just go to this website, Jagazi Naturals, jagazi.com. You just go there, buy everything, virtually everything you need, and they will deliver it to your doorstep. You don't need to go to any place, get into the bus and go to any place. Just that website will deliver it to your door, and it's first class, I promise. Just under 3 working days, you get everything you need. So let's go ahead and unbox this and know what we got from this company. And so I received this package on Friday. So something good is in there. Oh my god. Okay, I'm getting excited. Oh yes, please. Yes, please. Look at them. So oh my god. Oh yes, please. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god. Yes, please. Did you see that? Oh Lord of mercy, this is beautiful. Kaolin fiber. Guys, look at this. You want to make your own wig, life is made easy right now. I'm gonna open this. Let's see this together. You know, I've been tempted to open this package, but I tried so much not to open it. Oh wow, I love this hair. Oh my god, look, to be honest, I don't wear synthetic hair, but I'm gonna wear it. I'm sorry. I love hair. Who doesn't love hair? Guys, look at that. Look at that feeling. It's so beautiful. Jesus Christ, I need it. I'm definitely gonna make a wig of this. And this is 6. How many inches is this? Oh gosh. I'm definitely going for this. Who doesn't want a bit of this? With 10% discount, guys, you've got 2 weeks. Don't waste your time. This hair is beautiful. Get into that website right now and do something. So let's open this. This is what this thing looks like, guys. Oh wow. Excitement. Oh, pack lunch box. Yes please. So guys, you're getting that, which is a curved needle to sew in. You've got this in there. You've got a scissors in there, which is beautiful with a name tag on it. You can see that. Guys, you're getting a tape to measure your elastic and so many things. You've got that, a thread to sew in your wig, and you've got elastic. Oh my goodness, like these people though, like everything is on point. And that's a cap. So this cap, there's one more thing to go though. I'm gonna open this cap and show you. So this cap, you've got different guys, look, this is beautiful. I love the cap already. I do. Ooh, look at that. It's very flexible. I like it. And it's going to be another thing, which is going to be the lace. So there's a lace right here that you can use for the front. It depends on what you want to do, but I'm going to be doing a wig with this. So guys, we're gonna do that wig together, obviously, so you better subscribe so that you don't miss it. So we're going to do that with this. Watch me how I'm going to do this. I haven't got a lace front, but we are going to make a lace front of this, so you better watch out. Yes, so I'm going to say, if you desire a different type of cap from this this website, there are so many you can get, so many options, the lace one, whatever. Just if you decide to make the cap yourself and all that, there's so many options there. So go ahead and check it out. You know, whatever you want, if it's not there, just drop a message and say, oh, I want this particular one, how can I get it? You definitely have it, to be honest. So just communication, that's all you need. And this is a picture of that lovely lady. Yes, yes. So these are the type of hair you will get from this website. You know, like I said, you have to, they are really cheap. They are very, very, very cheap. So ooh, look at them, guys. This is it. You need to get there. I'm definitely gonna be getting that soon from this website because it's really cheap on their website. It's very, very cheap on their website, so I'm gonna be getting it. And you have a braided wig right there. You've got braided wig where you can do your braided wig from the scratch. You've got braided hair that you can do your braided wig from the scratch. What is it that you want that they don't have? This is, go ahead, I don't need to tell you this. Check this out yourself, man. They've got loads of beautiful things. Dummy head, glue, whatever you want. Everything is just right here. To be honest, everything you need is just down here. You don't need to go to the shop anymore. So what am I going to do in the shop when I have all these things? You know, so look at that beautiful hair again. So you guys go ahead and order from this company, and like I said, you've got 10% discount, and that is going to be down there. So that discount will be CHICHI1208. So go down there and with the website, and then order whatever you want and get this discount before it ends. You've got 2 weeks, like I said, don't forget, 2 weeks before it ends, and you'll be glad you did, and you thank me later. Obviously you will definitely thank me later. So you guys, very cheap, like I said, very cheap. So this is the end of this video, and I'm gonna make wig out of this video to show you guys that it's not in vain. The money spent right here is not in vain. You know, whatever you're gonna get, you will never ever get. I make wig, right? I've gone to this website and I've seen it. I'm not just saying it because of anything. Nobody's bribing me right here. I'm just saying it. I've gone to that website. The things I've seen from our local beauty store right here, you can see things that are very, very cheap right there, and when you get to that shop, it's really expensive, and you don't pay much for delivery. So why would I bother myself when I can sit in my room and watch them go to that website? All I need to do, blah blah blah, put it in the basket and check out, get even 10% discount, and then sit down here and do whatever I want to do with the wig. So why will I bother myself? Why not do the same? You can make your wig at home. Watch me do my wig, because I'm going to put the link of the wigs I've done so far down below. Not from this, but like you can learn how to do a wig down there if you don't know how to. So go ahead and check out my YouTube channel and subscribe to my channel so that you see more updates from this, because obviously it's going to be more updates. So I'm going to see you in my next other video, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I'll see you later. Bye.